Hi everyone! If you've ever tried making resin keepsakes, you know how frustrating bubbles, missing supplies, or confusing instructions can be. Don't let them ruin your precious memories. Today we're unboxing an all-in-one Puppy Keepsake Kit that promises to make the process much easier. We'll take a look at what's inside, walk you through each step, and create several beautiful bubble-free keepsakes together. Let's see how easy it is to make keepsakes you'll treasure for years to come. It comes with much more than just resin, from tags to small ornaments and accessories. Everything you need to make your own puppy keepsakes is included. So let's take a look at some of my favorite features. First, there's a non-toxic inkless print kit. No messy ink on your puppy's fur. Just one gentle press and you'll get a clean, detailed print. The kit also includes resin, color pigment paste to match different fur colors, alphabet stickers for names, glitter, mixing cups, pretty much everything you need in one box. It really is an all-in-one kit. Now let's get creating. Today we'll be making a pet paw keychain, a pet tag, a nose print tag, and an ornament. Step 1. Preparation. First, we'll use the inkless print kit to capture the nose print. Gently press your puppy's nose onto the print sheet without moving it. Just one light press is enough for a clear print. Besides that, you'll also need a photo of your pet and a small amount of their fur. Step 2. Mix the resin. Work in a well-ventilated area and wear the gloves included in the kit. Using the measuring cup, mix the resin in hardener at a 1:1 ratio by volume. Scrape the sides and bottom of the cup as you stir to make sure everything is fully mixed. Stir slowly and in one direction to reduce bubbles. Then let the resin sit for a few minutes to allow any trapped bubbles to rise to the surface and to foam. Next, divide the resin into several small cups. Add a small amount of color paste to make pink, yellow, and white resin. Then mix each one thoroughly. Step 3. The first pour. Slowly pour the resin into the molds. If you notice any bubbles, simply pop them with a toothpick. Cover the molds to keep out dust and let them cure for about 12 hours. Step 4. The second pour. Mix another batch of resin. Coat the fur with a little resin before placing it into the paw mold and ornament mold. Then fill each mold about halfway. Pouring too much resin at once may cause flash curing. Add pink pigment to another cup of resin and fill the dog tag mold. Mix glitter into another batch of resin and fill the frame mold halfway. Let everything cure for another 12 hours. Place the nose print into the round mold and fill it with clear resin. Please note that the clear PVC sheet doesn't need to be sealed, but the pink and white card paper do. Step 5. The third pour. Before adding the photo, seal it with laminating film. When trimming the edges, leave a small border around the photo to help prevent resin from seeping inside. Place the sealed photo into the frame mold and pour resin over it until it's fully covered. After pouring the resin, gently move the photo around a little to help the resin flow underneath it. Then press down on the photo to release any trapped air bubbles. During the first 30 minutes, check to make sure the photo hasn't shifted. If it moves, simply adjust it back into place. One important note, don't place photo pieces into a curing machine as the heat may cause the photo to fade. Now fill the ornament mold with resin as well. Step 6. The final pour. Once the photo frame section has cured, demold it. Then pour the paw and bone sections onto the frame and let everything cure completely. Step 7. Demold and finish. Now for the most satisfying part, demolding. These silicone molds are really flexible, so the pieces come out easily. Use acrylic markers to add finishing details, and your one-of-a-kind keepsakes are complete. Dogs grow up so quickly, but the memories of when they were puppies stay with us forever. This kit isn't just about making crafts, it's about preserving those special moments in a meaningful way. Whether you're a pet parent looking for a special keepsake for your fur baby, or a thoughtful gift for a friend who loves their pets, this kit makes it easy to turn those memories into keepsakes you'll cherish. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to learn more. If you've enjoyed this video or love this kit, share something about you and your fur baby in the comments and let us know which project you made first. We'll be picking one lucky winner to receive this kit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.